Welcome to Vegas, your map.
Hi friends, today we are going to expand the algebraic expression. So the first problem, expand the expression and simplify. Y power 2 into 3 minus 2 y power 3. So let us start. What we have to do is, this y power 2 we have to multiply with this. So 3 into y power 2 minus y square into minus 2y power 3. That is, plus into minus is minus. Then y power 2 into 2y power 3. That is, let me do in the rough. Y power 2 into 2y power 3. Y power 2 into 2y power 3. So this constant I am writing like that. Then y power, using the law of exponent. So now using the law of exponents, we can write 2 plus 3, that is x power m. We know the law. X power m into x power n can be written as x power m plus n. So using this rule, I have written, now here it is the same base, then 2 plus 3, therefore 2y power 5. So y square into 2y cube can be written as 2y power 5. Directly you can do, instead of doing all these steps, directly you can add, because the base is same. You can add the powers. 2 plus 3, 5. So plus into minus, minus 2y power 5. So now you have expanded. This is a simple problem. Let us do another problem. So this is answer, 3y square minus 2y power 5. Let us do the next problem. Second problem, expand the expression and simplify. 2x into 5x plus 3 minus 5 into 2x plus 3. So let us start doing. So now what we have to do? 2x, we have to multiply this each term. That is, we have to multiply 2x with 5x and we have to multiply 2x with 3. Okay. So what is the first step? 2x into 5x. So 2 into 5 is 10. Then x, 2 into 5 is 10. X into x. So x power 1. And here also you have x power 1. So x power 1. And here also you have x power 1. So 1 plus 1, x power 2. Plus 3. Here you have only constant. So 3 into 2. 3 to the 6x. Minus 5 into 2, 10. You have only one variable, so write that as such. Then here you have only constant. See, minus into plus. Here you have plus, so plus into minus is minus. Then minus into plus, again minus. 5 3s are 50. What is the next step? 10x square. See here you have 6x and minus 10x. They are like terms. Okay, so you can subtract that or add that. So here you have different sign and so you have to subtract it. Here 10x square, you have only one x square term. So write that as such. These are like terms, so you can add or subtract. Since it is different sign, you can subtract that. So 6x minus 10x will be minus 4x. Minus 15, you have only one constant term. So write that as such. So what is the answer? 10x square minus 4x minus 15 is the required answer. Now we can start the next problem. So the next problem is expand the expression and simplify. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. So let's start expanding the expression and simplify. So what is the problem? 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 x plus 2. So the first step is, first let me take these two expressions and multiply. Okay. So first let me put the bracket for these two. 2x plus 3 and then 3x minus 1. I'm just closing the bracket. Then x plus 2. So let's start. Now what we have to do is, we have to multiply these two terms. Then we have to multiply these two terms. So first step, 2x into 3x. Then 2x into 1. Then 3 into 3x. Then 3 into minus 1. Okay. So now let's start multiplying. So 2 3s are 2x into 3x. So 2 3s are 6x. That is, let me write here, 2x into 3x. So 2x into 3x is equal to 2 3s are 6x. Then x, here you have 1, power 1, power 1. So 1 plus 1. So it will be 6x square. So directly you can write 6x square. So 2x into 3x is 6x square. Then next step, 2x into minus 1. So 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. 2x into minus 1. Minus 1 into 2x will be minus 2x. Plus, so we have completed 2x into 3x and 2x into minus 1. Then next, with 3 you have to multiply 3x, and with 3 you have to multiply minus 1. So 3 into 3 is 9x. That is, 3 into 3 is 9. Then remaining you have one variable, x. So 3 into 3x. So let me write that. 3 into 3x is 3 3s are 9. Then 9x. So 3 into 3x is 9x. Then 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Now use the bracket. Now use the bracket because you have finished the first bracket. Okay. So you have multiplied these two expressions and you have got the answer. Now the remaining expression is x plus 2. Keep it as such. And after calculating this bracket, you can multiply that also. So 6x square, write as such because you don't have any other like terms. You don't have any other x square term. So write this as such. Now minus 2x and 9x are like terms. So you can add or subtract that. Since you have different sign, you can subtract that. So minus 2x plus 9x is plus 7x. Then only one constant you are having, write down as such, minus 3. Now into x plus 2. Now the same thing you have to do it again. You have to expand this expression. So you have to multiply this term with this. So how you have to multiply 6x square with x. Then again 6x square with 2. Okay. So what you have to do? The first step is 6x square with x. So 6x square, here you will be having 2 and here the power is 1. Here the power is 2 and here the power is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 6x square into x will be 6x cube. Then 6x square into 2. So here you have only constant term. So 2 into 6 is 12x square. Only constant term you are having. So you are multiplying that 6x square with 2. So 6x square into 2 is 12x square. Now you have completed 6x square into x. Then 6x square into 2. Now in the next step what you have to do? Then the second term with the next expression. So 7x into x. So 7x into x is plus 7x. Here power 1 and here also power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 7x into x is 7x square. Then plus 7x into 2. So every term you have to multiply with every other term of the expression. Okay. Now 7x into x you have completed. You got the answer 7x square. Then 7x into 2. Only constant term you are multiplying. So 7x into 2 is 14x. 14x. Okay. Now the constant term with the expression. So 3. Now just see. Minus 3 into x. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Then minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2. First what you have to do, minus 3 into x. That is minus 3x. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Okay. So here, so now just see here 6x cube. Just see whether any other x cube term is there. Any other x cube term is there. Only 6x cube we have. So write down as such. No other x cube terms are there. Just see in the next term. 12x square. You have two like terms here. That is x square terms. Two like terms. 12x square and 7x square. So it will be 19x square. If you add that 12 and 7, you will be having 19x square. Then here you have 14x and minus 3x like terms. Same terms. That is like terms. So 14x minus 3x. Different sign you are having. So you have to subtract that. So 14x minus 3x will be 11x. Then only one constant term you are having, minus 6. So this is the required answer. So if you expand 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1, x plus 2, you will be getting the answer 6x cube plus 19x square plus 11x minus 6. So if the problem given is with 3 brackets or 4 brackets, what you have to do is, first you have to collect the 2 bracket terms and use a bracket. Calculate them first, and with that answer you have to multiply the remaining expression. Okay. So when you're multiplying, do step by step. So first term with the first term of the next expression. Then first term with the second term of the next expression. Then second term with the first term. Then second term with the second term. Like that you do it in an order. Okay. So this is the required answer. 6x cube plus 19x square plus 11x minus 6. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. You can refer my previous video, the laws of exponents. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.